2 transfer 10 laps to distance here in B main number 1, sponsored by Dirt Rich TV. That familiar number 28 of Tyler Carpenter, driven tonight by John Bailey. He's going to be on the loud pedal. Green flag is out. We're underway. Bailey going to duck down to the bottom. Atkins going to jump to the high side. Scooby going to get the run on the top. Scooby hunting down Scooby Snacks as he slams the door shut down in 3 and 4. Give the race lead to the 18 machine. Here comes Shane Greco to the outside. Again, top 2 advance as the battles for the second spot. The 33 and the G. Oh, we got one around. It looks like Justin Elliott down in turn number 2. Caution flag going to come out. Scooby on the loud pedal. Green flag is out. We're underway. Greco looking to the inside. They're going to top 3. He's going to fan out as they go down the back straightaway. Robert Roberts right there in the 4th spot. The 28 is going to shove up the hill. That's going to allow that top 2 out front to break away. It's a 2-horse race out front. And Shane Greco looking to the outside of Stephen Atkins Jr. now. Atkins going to continue to work that bottom line. It's 2 laps, now 3 laps in the books of this 10-lap affair. Atkins going to work the bottom side. Here comes Greco on the top. Greco going to continue to work the high line. He's going to work the outside at the flag stand, give it to Shane Greco. They're going to stay side by side down into 1 and 2. Greco going to get the advantage down the back straightaway. The 33G finds himself in the lead of B main number 1. Scooby going to lurk to the inside. Top 2 has broken away as we're halfway home. 2 cars advancing into the big show. Those 2 have starting to break away from the 28 machine now, down the back straightaway. Greco extending that race lead out. Scooby now in danger of losing that final transfer spot as the 28 trying to reel him in. Seven laps down the books, just 3 laps left to go as Justin Elliott finds himself into the infield again. He's going to keep it going. Greco going to continue to work to the outside. He's going to put this 84 machine a lap down as here comes Stephen Atkins Jr. to try to do the same. Just 2 laps left to go here in B main number 1. Atkins going to look to the inside of Elliott. Greco now putting Blankenship a lap down. White flag is out just one more time around. Greco now going to look to the inside of Ramirez. Checkered flag is out. Heat B main number 1 going to go to Shane Greco. 2nd spot going to go to Stephen Atkins Jr. 3rd spot and outside looking in will go to John Bailey. So making it into the big show will be Shane Greco in the 33G and the 18 of Stephen Atkins Jr. Lights are out. We're going to go green flag racing out of turn 4. Green flag is out. We're underway. Bailey Logan will look the inside. Jacob Elliott going to get, they're going to keep it together. Turn 2. Samuel Bryan going to continue to lead the way down into turn one as Bailey Lowe going to look to the inside. Allman trying to work his way up and make it into the show. Here comes Andrew Lankford. Lankford looking to crack in that top three and then hunt down that top two. Lowe now going to look to the inside of Bryant. Allman trying to work his way up after that heat race mishap, but that top two starting to break away now as we go into 3 laps into this 10-lap B main. Lankford going to jump to the outside. Allman going to slam the door shut, put Allman in that 4th spot. Endicott got a whole handful of steering wheel out of turn 2. He's going to keep it gathered up. Bryant going to work that high line. Bailey Lowe going to work the low line. This track's starting to get racy here in this B main as you can work the bottom side or the top side. There's 2 distinct lines around the Beckley Motor Speedway right now. Lowe going to try to diamond off the corner and get the run down the back straightaway. Can't close the distance. It's a 2-horse race out front and we're only taking 2. Joshua Chesney and Corey Allman got some work cut out for him to reel in that top 2 of the sands. Are starting to run out of the hourglass as we come around for lap number 7. Allman now looks to the inside of Chesney, can't make the pass. Popsicle sticks are out just 2 more times around for Samuel Bryant. White flag is out just 1 more time around for your race leader, Samuel Bryant. 2nd spot, still Bailey Lowe, the battle for the 3rd spot. Checker flag is out. Samuel Bryant going to put it in the big show. Bailey Lowe going to follow him through. 3rd spot is going to go to Joshua Chesney. 4th spot will go to Corey Allman. And the 5th spot will go to Jeff Witt, rounding out your top 5.